Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to make a turmeric latte. What you're going to need is some almond milk, the turmeric golden milk powder, some honey, some coconut nectar, some pepper, and a measuring spoon. So you're first going to start by taking the almond milk, pouring it into your cup, how much you want, and then you'll go ahead and pour that into your dish and turn it on medium-low heat. While that gets going, you'll take the honey, give it a good stir, and just take about a small tablespoon, and you'll mix that into the milk while it's on the stove. You're going to do this until all of the honey comes off of the spoon and till the milk starts to steam. And you'll just continue to stir the milk until it begins steaming. I'll let that sit. While that gets going, I'm going to take some of the golden milk powder. I'm going to take 1 teaspoon, measure that out, put that straight into my cup. Then I'm also going to take a little bit of the coconut nectar and pour that in just to sweeten it. And add a pinch of pepper to help the absorption of the turmeric. And that can sit until we pour the warm milk over top. So we're just going to wait until this starts to steam for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we'll pour it on top and